Most people think they're hidden online because they use incognito mode, a VPN, or maybe even a privacy browser. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Websites today don't need your name to identify you. They can track your browser fingerprint, your behavior, your device characteristics, your cookies, your browsing patterns, and sometimes even recognize you after you've deleted everything. In other words, you could be using all the privacy tools you know and still be leaving digital footprints everywhere. That's exactly why ethical hackers, OSINT investigators, cybersecurity professionals, and privacy enthusiasts rely on something most people completely ignore: browser extensions. These tiny tools can block trackers, stop fingerprinting attempts, destroy invasive cookies, and close privacy gaps that many browsers leave open by default. And today, I'm showing you 10 browser extensions that can seriously level up your online privacy and make tracking you much harder than before. This video is not sponsored. None of these extensions paid to be here. These are simply some of the most useful privacy-focused browser extensions available right now. Starting with one of the most important extensions ever created, uBlock Origin Lite. Now, before somebody rushes into the comments and says, "Wait, isn't that just an ad blocker?" Not exactly. That's like calling a Swiss Army knife just a knife. Sure, it blocks ads, but that's only a small part of what makes it powerful. Modern advertisements are loaded with tracking scripts, behavioral analytics, fingerprinting attempts, hidden requests, and data collection systems. Every time a web page loads, dozens of third-party connections can quietly start monitoring your activity. uBlock Origin cuts off many of these connections before they even have a chance to load. What's scary is that some websites can contain more tracking scripts than actual content. Imagine inviting one friend to your house, and suddenly 30 strangers walk in behind him taking notes about everything you do. That's basically how many websites operate today. uBlock Origin acts like the security guard at the door saying, "Nope, you're not coming in." The best part is that websites often become faster after installing it because you're no longer loading piles of unnecessary garbage in the background. Better privacy and better performance at the same time? That's a rare win-win. Now let's move on to Privacy Badger. Privacy Badger has one mission: identify trackers and stop them automatically. Unlike traditional block lists that depend heavily on pre-made rules, Privacy Badger actually learns which domains appear to be following you around the internet. Think about it this way. Imagine every shop you visit somehow sends information back to the same mysterious person hiding in a van outside. After a while, Privacy Badger notices the pattern and says, "Yeah, this guy is definitely spying on you." Then it starts blocking him. What makes Privacy Badger particularly useful is that it adapts dynamically. Trackers evolve constantly. New tracking systems appear every day. Privacy Badger helps respond to many of these tracking behaviors without requiring users to become cybersecurity experts. Next up is Cookie Guardian. Let's be honest. Most people click accept all cookies faster than they read text messages from their family. We see the cookie banner and instantly hit accept because we just want to get to the content. The problem is that cookies don't simply remember your language settings. Many of them track behavior, preferences, browsing activity, login sessions, and other information for long periods of time. Cookie Guardian automatically removes unwanted cookies whenever tabs are closed. Instead of allowing websites to keep collecting data forever, the extension regularly cleans up behind you. Imagine leaving footprints every time you walk somewhere. Cookie Guardian acts like somebody following behind with a broom, sweeping away those footprints before they become useful to trackers. Coming in next is Clear URLs. This extension solves a problem most people don't even know exists. Have you ever copied a link and noticed it looks absurdly long? Sometimes the actual web page address is tiny, while the rest of the URL contains a mountain of strange characters and tracking parameters. Those extra parameters often help companies identify where you came from, what you clicked, what campaign attracted you, and sometimes much more. Clear URLs removes unnecessary tracking information from links automatically. Think of it like removing a hidden GPS tracker attached to every package you send. The destination still receives the package, but fewer people know how it got there. Now let's talk about CanvasBlocker. This extension focuses on one of the sneakiest privacy threats online: browser fingerprinting. Most people understand cookies. Far fewer understand fingerprinting. Unlike cookies, fingerprinting doesn't always store anything on your device. Instead, websites collect dozens of tiny characteristics about your system: screen resolution, graphics card behavior, installed fonts, browser settings, operating system details, language settings, hardware performance, and much more. Individually, these details seem harmless. Combined together, they can create an identifier that's surprisingly unique. CanvasBlocker interferes with these fingerprinting techniques by masking or modifying information websites try to collect. Imagine somebody trying to sketch your face while you're constantly changing masks. That's essentially what CanvasBlocker does. At number 5, we have decentralize. Now, this extension sounds complicated, but the idea is actually simple. Many websites load common resources from massive third-party content delivery networks. When your browser requests those resources, additional information can potentially be exposed. Decentralize locally serves many common web resources instead of fetching them from external providers. Translation: your browser doesn't always need to contact outside services for files that can be stored locally. Less communication often means less tracking opportunity. Think of it like having emergency supplies stored at home, instead of constantly calling somebody every time you need something. Now let's move on to local CDN. Some people consider local CDN the spiritual successor to decentralize because it expands on the same privacy concept. Local CDN provides locally stored web resources and helps reduce unnecessary connections to external networks. Why does this matter? Because every external request creates another opportunity for data collection. Modern websites are often less like individual websites and more like giant ecosystems connecting dozens of external services together. The fewer unnecessary connections your browser makes, the smaller your visible footprint becomes. Now we're entering advanced territory with NoScript. This extension is extremely powerful. It's also capable of making some websites cry. NoScript blocks JavaScript, Flash, and active content by default unless you allow it. Now, before anyone installs it and immediately wonders why half the internet stopped functioning, understand that NoScript is designed primarily for users who want maximum control. The internet relies heavily on scripts today. Some scripts are necessary. Others exist purely for tracking, analytics, advertising, or more questionable purposes. NoScript forces websites to earn your trust before executing active content. Imagine every visitor showing ID before entering a secure building. That's basically NoScript's philosophy. For ethical hackers and cybersecurity enthusiasts, this level of control can be incredibly valuable. Next up is temporary containers. This extension is fascinating because it isolates browsing sessions automatically. Normally, websites can leave traces that follow you from one tab to another. Temporary containers places websites into isolated environments. When those environments disappear, much of the associated data disappears too. Imagine visiting every website using a completely different identity card. That's the basic idea. Trackers love connecting your activities together across websites. Temporary containers makes that job significantly harder. Now let's talk about Chameleon. This extension is like shape-shifting for your browser. Websites frequently attempt to identify visitors through browser characteristics and device information. Chameleon helps randomize certain identifying attributes and can reduce fingerprint uniqueness. Instead of presenting the exact same digital appearance every time, your browser becomes more difficult to profile consistently. Imagine attending a conference wearing a completely different disguise every day. People might recognize that somebody is there, but identifying exactly who becomes much harder. And finally, our number 1 extension, User Agent Switcher. Now, at first glance, this extension may seem simple, but understanding user agents reveals an important part of how websites identify devices. Whenever you visit a web page, your browser often shares information about itself, including browser version, operating system, and device type. User Agent Switcher allows users to modify or change what information is presented. For privacy researchers, cybersecurity professionals, and ethical hackers, This can be extremely useful for testing websites, reducing certain forms of profiling, and understanding how sites behave toward different devices. It's not a magic invisibility cloak, but it's another useful layer in a larger privacy strategy. And that's the key lesson of this entire video. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe because we've got more ethical hacking, cybersecurity, privacy, OSINT, digital security, and internet secrets coming very soon. Until next time, stay curious, stay secure, and stay one step ahead online.